Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check screen time and app usage on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the settings. Now in these settings, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll down to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Here we have screen time today, so we're going to click on it. And I clicked on the settings, but we're going to click on the whole dashboard. Here we click view all on total screen time, and we will be able to see which app we've spent the most time on. So I spent 33 minutes in the settings, 8 minutes in the camera, 2 minutes on maps, 2 minutes on gallery, 1 minute on my files and CPU-Z. So this is my entire screen time for today. As you guys can see, here I've got the app that takes 33 minutes of our time. We can see it right here on a basis. So from 11 to 12 p.m. I've used 14 minutes. Here I've used from 1 to 2 p.m. I've used 12 minutes of the app, and that's how you guys can check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.